Hi class, I'm picking up what the last video had ended on, and we wanted to go ahead and copy this kind of formatting, CSS formatting onto this right side, and this actually is called an aside, so it's a sidebar, and then this one's called an article, but it's actually all wrapped up in a section. So I can go ahead and apply a section class to this, or a, CSS style sheet, and then it would kind of go for both the article and the aside. So I am going to go into my CSS style sheet here, and I'm going to go ahead and go into the full code sheet, and I'm going to just show you the um, the section or the left article. Okay, so if you notice that on the left article we have an H3 and we have a paragraph, but on the right article we don't have much. And so if you wanted to put any words and stuff and make it look consistent, I think this should have it as well. But this left article and right article CSS styles sit under that section. So I actually could go in here and enter and create another HTML5 tag called section, and then copy and paste what I want in there. So what I want is a section, and I want to do the H3, okay? And so in that H3, it's going to just be all this stuff. And I'll keep this one like this just for I just don't like to delete things that much. So I'm going to do a Control C, and then on my section H3, I'm going to press enter and do Control V. And then I have an extra little bracket there. So there's my padding for my section 3 and all that. And then now I'm going to do the paragraph style on my section, okay? So I'm going to press enter, and then I'm going to add section again and my paragraph, and then I'm going to go to the paragraph here and just copy it. I'm not trying not to get the brackets, Control C, and then inside that bracket I'll do a Control V, and then I'll press an enter at the end of that. So let me go ahead and press enter there. So I added two CSS styles for the section, an H3 and a paragraph. So in a sense, I'm going to do file save all, that in my source code under split, now whatever I type in here is going to have the same style as it did over there. And so I'm going to go to my aside, not my left article, but my aside here, and I'm going to go ahead and do an H3 just to show you, just to see if it works. So right before my image, I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to click H3, and I'm just going to type in content heading, and it's just going to take that same style from over there over here. And then maybe I want a little bit of wording underneath here just to see what that would look like. So I'm just going to copy some HTML here, Control C. And then after my little placeholder here, I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to do Control V and then do some styling there. All right, I like this placeholder here, but I want a placeholder that's kind of like this color instead of the blue. And it doesn't matter because this is a page structure, kind of like we're forming a template here, but I kind of think it would be pretty if we changed it. So I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in dummy image, and what I want is I want a 400 by 400. And the background color I want is the background color that was part of my palette. So I'll do, let's see if this works. I'll do it FAB414. Press enter there. That's what I like. And then I want it to be a JPEG. Oops, I'm going to do 400 by 200. There you go. And then I like that, so I'm going to right click, save image as, and then I'm going to go back into my business images under my image folder, and I'm going to call it a placeholder 1. And then I'll click save. Okay, I'm going to go back to Dreamweaver and I'm going to replace this placeholder or this image. But notice that this has a placeholder CSS style to it as well, you guys. So we want to keep that. I'm wondering if I can click here and just go to my folder and choose that placeholder and click OK, and it's perfect. All right, that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you how to enter your own placeholder and actually create one, and then maybe edit some CSS style with already existing CSS style. All right, the next video I want to show you, we'll change the colors of this, and then we're going to add another media. So look at all these medias for responsive design. I'm going to add another media to that, and then we'll see what else we got. Okay, thanks.